Hello. We're in the mountains. We're gonna try to camp here. We're almost in the Hajang Loop. We're a bit south from the Hajang Loop, in between Halong Bay and Hajang, all the way up north. We're close from Halong Bay, one of the 8 wonders in the world. We're trying to find a place to sleep for tonight. We would like to potentially put our hammocks in those mountains over there. Such beautiful nature here in northern Vietnam. The roads are tricky. Everyone honks all the time. Everyone honks all the time. Just to let them know they're behind, everyone honks. So the trucks honk. The trucks honk all the time. Pretty scary. You gotta be careful. Communist flags everywhere. Hello. Hello. We found a small little village remote. Hello. 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 We're in the mountains. We're gonna try to camp here, so we'll put our hammock down there. They invited us to sleep in their yard, so we're finding 4 trees now to put the hammock. The kids are following us everywhere. Okay, Arthur.
This one looks good.
Trying to set the camp now.
This is hammock.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
We're setting up the hammock. Found the perfect spot. 4 trees for a nice little night.
You call this a tree, bro?
In the forest. Sorry, the barn. Try out. Does it hold the W or the L?
W or the L, bro. One or the other.
Let's see.
I'm too low though.
How to build a hammock. It's the first time for me, so got those nice little camo. We're gonna need an extra rope.
Pretty hot here. It's still around 25 degrees maybe, and the sun is setting down. Surrounded by the trees on one side and the rocks on the other. Limestone rocks. Beautiful landscapes.
Good morning, everyone. Hello. From the remote village near Yên Minh, in northern Vietnam.